Here we go, guys. We're live at 6:46 p.m. battling for Roberts. Power of the Force, R2 pop there. Always a hit. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Copy them here. Paste them here. There they are, 1 through 1 hundo. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 9er. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys. It's a nice one. Matt takes round 1. Derek round 2. Josh round 3. Derek round 4. Matt round 5. Phil round 6. Andrew Morris round 7. Matt Johnson in the top spot for our next to last round, which means we've come to the big one, the final round. Good luck, everyone. Here we go, and our winner is Andrew Morris. And at number 21, congrats, Andrew. Here's the verification code and official results for you guys. HYEEEX. Andrew Morris in at number 21 is the champ. I'm done at 6:47, as you can see here. Again, here's the official results and the winner. Congratulations, sir. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot.